Hey AI fam, Kimberly Quinn here. And if you're anything like me, your productivity world probably revolves around ChatGPT, right? I mean, who isn't using it? But what if I told you there's a new kid on the block packed with even more punch? And guess what? It's from Google, and you can access so much of it for free right now. Yeah, you heard me. Today, we're diving deep into 7 free Google Gemini tools that are about to change the game. Seriously, some of these are so good, you might just find yourself saying, "Goodbye, ChatGPT." So, what is Gemini? Think of it as Google's answer to the multimodal AI revolution. While ChatGPT excels at text, Gemini is built from the ground up to understand and operate across text, images, audio, and even video. It's like having an entire creative and analytical team rolled into one super smart AI. And the best part? Google's been embedding this power into tools you probably already use or definitely should be using. Why should you care? Because these tools are designed for speed, efficiency, and giving you an unfair advantage in whatever you do. Whether you're a student, a creator, a business owner, or just someone who wants to get things done faster. And we're talking free, easy to use tools that are accessible to everyone. No steep learning curves, just pure productivity. All right, let's stop talking and start doing. Here are 7 free Google Gemini tools that you need in your life, starting right now. First up, obviously, is Google Gemini itself. This isn't just a chatbot, it's a multimodal beast. Ask it to summarize a PDF you upload, generate image ideas from a text prompt, or even help you brainstorm video scripts with visual suggestions. Try asking it to plan a 3-day itinerary for Bali, including vegan food options and cultural experiences. Or write a LinkedIn post about the benefits of AI in small business, making it engaging and under 150 words. What makes it different from ChatGPT? Its direct integration with Google's ecosystem and its native ability to process different types of information beyond just text is a huge advantage. Plus, it's often more up to date with current events than the free version of ChatGPT. Give it a try, you'll be amazed at its versatility. Next, we have Google Docs with its built-in Gemini superpowers. If you use Google Docs, this is a game changer. Imagine needing to write a sales email, a project proposal, or even a creative story. Just type a prompt like, "Help me write a compelling sales pitch for a new online course on AI," or draft an apology email to a client for a minor delay, offering a small discount. The Help Me Write feature appears directly in your document. It's like having a writing assistant right inside your word processor. No more copy-pasting from another tab. This saves so much time for content creators, students, and anyone who writes anything professionally. And yes, it's free. Moving on to presentations, say hello to Google Slides powered by Gemini. Ever dread making slides? Not anymore. You can prompt Gemini generate 5 slides about the history of AI, focusing on key milestones, or create a presentation outline for a marketing strategy review. It can help you outline, draft content, and even suggest layouts. This is a massive time saver for anyone who has to present regularly. Students, business professionals, this is your secret weapon for quickly putting together polished presentations. Now, for all my data lovers, or perhaps data avoiders, Google Sheets with Gemini is here. Need to analyze some sales figures? Ask Gemini to suggest a formula to calculate the average sales per quarter from this data. Or explain what VLOOKUP does in simple terms and give an example. It can help you understand complex formulas, clean data, and even brainstorm ways to visualize your information. For anyone dealing with spreadsheets, this is like having an expert analyst sitting right beside you for free. Oh, and speaking of communication, you have to try Gmail's Help Me Write feature. You know those emails you just dread writing? The tricky client response, the formal request, or even just a quick update. Just click the Help Me Write button when composing an email. Prompt it with something like, write a polite follow-up email to a job application, or draft a friendly email to a colleague asking for an update on Project X. It gives you a fully formed draft that you can then tweak. No more staring at a blank screen. This is pure magic for anyone with an inbox. Many of you know Bard, and while Gemini is the underlying model, Bard itself is still a fantastic, free interface to access a lot of Gemini's power. Use it for creative writing, generating code snippets, summarizing long articles from URLs, or even complex brainstorming sessions. Ask it write a short, suspenseful story opener about a forgotten diary, or summarize the key takeaways from this article. Paste URL. Bard's strength is its ability to access real-time information and provide more creative, conversational responses. Now, this one is a bit of a peek into the future, but also already available to some in experimental stages or through Chrome extensions. 7 amazing free Google Gemini tools. I told you this was going to be a game changer. So, does this mean goodbye, ChatGPT? Not necessarily a full goodbye, but it definitely means you have an incredibly powerful new suite of tools at your fingertips, often for tasks where Gemini's native Google integration and multimodal capabilities shine even brighter. For content creators, think about how fast you can outline videos, draft social media posts, or even generate image ideas. For students, imagine the research and essay writing help. For small businesses, this is like having a marketing, sales, and analytics team all rolled into one, without the huge cost. The accessibility and integration of these tools within the Google ecosystem are just phenomenal. You're probably already using some of these platforms, so why not unlock their full AI potential? All right, fam, it's your turn. I want you to go out there, try these tools, and tell me in the comments below. Which of these 7 free Google Gemini tools are you most excited to try first? Have you already used any of them? Let me know your experiences. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you want more AI insights, tutorials, and hacks to supercharge your productivity, then you know what to do. Subscribe to Kimberly Quinn AI and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos.